The 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, climate control, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.